Good morning, guys. I'm currently studying for a psychology test that I have to take at around 10:49. It's 10:15 right now, and at 1 we might be going to go watch the pool get put in. But yeah, those are my plans for today so far. I'm currently taking my psychology test or quiz, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 remaining. And yeah, it's 11:13. I have to submit it by 11:30, so I'm doing good. I am currently just doing some work for computer science. I think she's just kind of giving us work to do that we don't really need because the semester exam is coming up, and she wasn't here today, so I'm pretty sure, honestly, this is just kind of busy work, but whatever, at least it's easy. Like before, I'm just doing more work. This time it's for econ. But I'm getting closer to done with everything, so it's fine. We have a little brick, whatever it's called. Outside, I forgot what it's called. They had to drop a pool off at the store, and then Hey guys, guess where we are? Inside the fireplace. That's the stuff. Oh, that's the golf cart. Oh, they're waving at us. Are they still going? Yeah. there's so many. Oh, look, that's a double decker. Whoa, there's Santa. It's Santa. What are you doing with the milk, Nathan? I'll just get more. Boom. That's the stuff.
So they stand out a little bit more. Now to add some detail.
Hey guys, it's 11:28 and I'm just chilling in bed watching YouTube. I was on TikTok for a while. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.